Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically remove inactive subscribers from your ActiveCampaign list. This is incredibly useful for keeping your email list clean and ensuring you're only engaging with people who are actually interested in your content. Let's dive right in. First, head over to ActiveCampaign.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and find the Automations option. Click on it to access your automation dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for creating workflows that run on autopilot. From here, click on Create an Automation and select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to build your custom automation workflow tailored specifically to managing inactive subscribers. Now give your automation a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later among your other automations. Then click Save. Next, you'll need to set up the trigger that starts this automation. Click on Add as Start Trigger, then select Subscribes to a list. In the list selection, choose any list you want to monitor for inactive subscribers. Under Runs, make sure to select Once so each subscriber only enters this automation a single time, preventing duplicate processing. Click Save to confirm your trigger settings. Now comes the waiting game. Click the plus button to add the next step and select Wait. Choose a set period of time and set it to 30 days. This creates your first checkpoint for inactivity, giving subscribers a full month to engage with your content. After this waiting period, click the plus button again and search for tag. Choose Add a Tag and enter something like Inactive 30 to mark subscribers who haven't engaged in 30 days. This tagging system helps you track exactly how long someone has been inactive. Click Save to apply this tag. Repeat this process for the next milestone. Click the plus button, select Wait, and set another 30 days. This extends the total inactivity period to 60 days. Then add another tag action and name it Inactive 60. This marks subscribers who've been inactive for 60 days. Giving you a clear picture of their engagement level. Save your work and continue the pattern one more time. Add another 30-day wait period, then add a tag labeled Inactive 90 for those who've been inactive for a full 90 days. This three-tier system ensures you're not too hasty in removing subscribers who might just be taking a temporary break. At this point, it's time to take action on these consistently inactive subscribers. Click the plus button and search for Unsubscribe. Select it, check all the lists you want to remove these inactive subscribers from, and click Save. This ensures that after 90 days of complete inactivity, subscribers are automatically removed from your lists, keeping your database clean and your engagement metrics accurate. Finally, activate this automation using the button in the upper right corner to set everything in motion. But we're not done yet. We need to create a safety net that removes these tags. If subscribers become active again, this prevents active users from accidentally getting removed. Go back to the left side menu, click Automations again, and create a new automation. Select Start from Scratch and give it a relevant name like Reactivation Tracker. Click the trigger and select Opens or Reads an Email. Choose your desired action option, and under Runs, select multiple times, since subscribers might engage more than once over time. Save this trigger. Now add another trigger by clicking the plus icon next to the first one. Select Clicks a link in an email, choose an action option, set runs to multiple times, and save. These dual triggers ensure that any form of engagement, whether opening or clicking, is captured. Here's where it gets smart. Click the plus button and search for End Another Automation. Select it and choose the first automation we created, the one that removes inactive subscribers. This immediately stops that automation if someone shows any sign of engagement, protecting them from being removed. Next, click the plus button and search for Remove a Tag. Select it and input all the inactive tags we created earlier like Inactive 30, Inactive 60, and Inactive 90. This clears their inactive status entirely, giving them a fresh start. Click Save to apply these changes. Now add a small buffer to ensure everything processes smoothly. Click the plus button, select Wait, choose a set period of time, and set it to 5 minutes. This brief pause ensures all the tag removals and automation stops are fully processed before moving forward. Finally, click the plus button one last time and search for Start an Automation. Select it and choose the first automation we created. This restarts the monitoring process for these now active subscribers, essentially putting them back at day 0 of the inactivity tracker. Don't forget to activate this second automation using the button in the upper right corner. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an automated system that removes inactive subscribers while protecting engaged ones. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.